Now I am explaining about the classification of Signum function under the basic signals. Signum function is denoted by Sgn of t. Okay, in continuous Signum function we are denoted Sgn of t. Sgn of t is equal to 1 at t is greater than 0, at 0 t is equal to 0, at minus 1 t is less than 0. Okay, here we are representing the graphical representation. In the x-axis we are representing t, in the y-axis or vertical axis we are representing what? Sgn of t. Okay, this is the positive axis, this is the negative axis. Okay, here at t is equal to 0 the value will be 0. In the greater than is equal to 0, right? T is greater than 0, right? At 1. Okay, at 1 greater than 0. In less than 0 at t is equal to 0 means the value will be minus 1, right? So dc at dc the value will be minus 1. Okay, this is the continuous Signum function. The definition, okay, at t is greater than 0 the value will be 1, at t is less than 0 the value will be minus 1 in dc function. Okay, the value will be 0 at 0. Okay, now discrete Signum function. In the discrete Signum function we are representing Sgn of n. Okay, in the continuous manner we are representing t, in the discrete manner we are representing n. There is a replacement between the t and n. Okay, here 1 at n is greater than 0, 0 n is equal to 0, minus 1 n is less than 0. Okay, here the graphical representation is at n 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the positive terminal, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. This is the negative terminal. Okay, at n is equal to 0 means the value will be 0, right? And at n equal to n greater than 0 the value will be 1. Okay, n is less than 0 the value will be minus 1. Okay, this is the discrete Signum function. The values will be like this. Okay, and now I am discussing the most important thing, the relationship between Signum and unit step function. Signum function and unit step function. Here I am giving one example to know about that. Okay, 2u of t minus 1. Okay, in the graphical representation we are representing what here? Wait a minute. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal, right? T, this is the Sgn of t. Here u of t, right? U of t, 2u of t. This is the positive values, right? We are giving 2, 1, 2, 3 and so on like that, right? We are giving 2u of t. Here the value, it is in the positive terminal. Okay, then negative terminal the value will be minus 1. Okay, the value will be minus 1. Then the resultant answer is what is the resultant answer here? The resultant answer is we are subtracting 2u of t from minus 1 means, okay, from minus 1 means what you will get? 2u of t we are subtracting minus 1, right? Then the answer will be what? Minus 1 we are